see that my friend, she finally put me in her house. So now I want to go to her shop. She's a very nice girl. Oh. You don't reach how many days now. Since how many days were they her side? She's a very nice girl. Maybe because of social media something. I know come to say she's a very nice person. She nice, oh, you understand? So I want to go her shop now. I'll go see what will happen there. Man, whether I go help her sit down for her shop small because she tells me she won't go market. She won't go buy market. You understand what she will sell? Okay, let's go. Right, let's go.
So do you know that as I come decide, say I go see my friend, go sit down for her shop, make her feel help her do one or two things so that she will go market, come back. Guess what? Finally now I can go